To turn on or turn off Speak Alert message for wireless emergency alerts in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find notifications, and then tap notifications, select advanced settings, and then scroll down advanced settings screen, tap wireless emergency alerts, and then scroll down the screen. Next, on Speak Alert message, tap switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Use text to speak wireless emergency alert messages. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.